Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, FWD, headlights auto off. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.